Hi guys, it's me Vidit again. You're wondering why am I too late? I gave a gap in the between because there are a lot of submissions and a lot of test series going inside the school. So today I'm here back with a new video and you also think why I have put my title as ranking things. Because I'm going to rank up some brawlers, top 5 brawlers of the game. So are you wondering what's the fifth brawler? The fifth brawler is pretty simple. This one's a very good brawler and this brawler is Pam. Let's play Pam in solo showdown. So let's go. I have the Mama's Hug star power, so it's gonna be a win for us. So let's go after this bow. We got the chest, we steal the chest from Bo. Bo is going against us and now he's going to die. Same for Bo. Oh no, this is not fair. And now die, noob Daryl. See how strong is Pam. And with the star power, she is just a monster. Oh hi Bo. Oh yes, got the Shelly. 8 cubes in the middle. Get this ping. BB is a strong brawler. No mention there. Let's go. Oh hi. Let's get this one. And let's get this one. So see how easy it is to win with Pam. And the star power is just too broken. So you're wondering what's the number 4 brawler on our list. Actually I don't have that brawler, but it's going to be Colette. So at least we can try in the training game. 3200 health, very bad. Let's get in. I literally cannot kill him. Yes, I got him. Let's try the super. Oops, that's a main attack, sorry. It has a good super. So, you see, Colette is also a very great brawler. I can't show you how because it's the training game and we win every single time in training game. So now you're wondering what's the next on my list. The next one is going to be the Jean. Jean with his Spirit Slap star power is just very broken. Much broken than the Pam. Just need to get the super, which I'll get in 3 hits. I'll go on some tank, get my super and then push him back with the gadget. Simple as that. Oh. I tried to team up with the Primo, but she killed the Primo. Look, I saved the Sprout from disaster. What? Oh. Let's teaming. Teaming is going on. I don't like betrayals. They both betrayed me and I killed them. As simple as that. Huh? When she going in the gas, I didn't see. So look, another simple win with this monster. So now the number 2 brawler on my list is going to be the legendary brawler Spike. I don't have the gadget, but it's still really good. And if you stand on the board with this brawler, you can literally deal 7000 damage to a bot per hit. I mean per bullet. So 21,000 in total. And with the gadget, you can just finish him off. As simple as that. Trying some teaming stuff. Oh yes. That Rosal literally scared me. Got that. Roger that. I got some cool stuff. That Surge is a scary guy. Oh, max stage Surge. Surge is nowhere compared to Spike and is not in my list, so I can go 1v1 against him. But dealing with a rank 4 Surge is gonna be difficult. Yeah, got him. Lol, that cold get destroyed. Should I give this win to Diana? Oops, he's giving me the win. But I am not going to accept the win. I am going in the gas. Oops, he died. No problem. You see, we got 3 first places with our 4 brawlers, as one of them was not in my list. I mean, not in my brawlers list. I had to play her in the training cave. So now the best brawler of the game right now is the speedy brawler Max. This brawler is just so damn OP, and with her 4 star power, she's just a nightmare. My friend has the star power, not me. That Surge is scaring me. Yes, I got it. Teaming goes on. That's power 6 cents. I can kill her, but will not. Let's go straight. Oh, he's going. Awesome beam. Hey, oh Surge, don't irritate me. I'm the best brawler of the game, Surge. Don't you dare even irritate. Let me get this thing right here. Where the hell is the BB? Oh, she almost got me. So, not going good with the brawler Max, and my teammate just died like a fool. Oh, thanks, Spike. Just that Spike just saved my life from that stupid BB. Hey, Surge. Don't think that you are OP. I'm more OP. Oops, I died. So this is the best brawler of the game, but I accidentally died. Very sorry for that. So guys, this is going to be end for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. I collected the new event, sorry. And let's see who joined the club. What's this one? Nothing. He left the club, but let's see his profile. Nothing. So see you in the next episode. Bye.